Hey everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and in this free video lesson from TrickTrades, I'm going to show you what stocks to stay away from to protect your day trading accounts. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so first off, I just have a quick little announcement here before we get into the video lesson. I want to bring you over to tricktrades.com. We are starting May 1st. We're doing something that no one has done before. A lot of people have, we're all aware of the famous millionaire challenge, which is, ridiculous. TS makes you pay $6,000 or $7,000, and you get some DVDs and then access to a chat room essentially with some webinars that are basically full of fluff. So basically, what I'm doing is the consistency challenge, the full moon consistency challenge. And what this is, it's not going to cost you anything. I'm not going to charge you $6,000 to do it. All you got to do is sign up, go to tricktrades.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and sign up for either guidance or mentorship. Not the swing, it only applies to the mentorship and the guidance. And what it is, you can check out the site. It's a pretty cool site. So, what the full moon consistency challenge is, it's a no bullshit, no strings attached. If you prove to be consistent, okay? So, if you prove consistency from the first full moon of May 1st to the basically the full moon of August 27th, so for 4 months, if you can prove that you're consistent, I'm going to wire in $5,000 of my money into the most consistent trader's account. No strings attached, no bullshit. That's what I'm going to be doing. So sign up today at tricktrades.com for a membership, and you'll have the potential to win $5,000 free and clear. I'll wire it right into your trading account, whatever trading account you want. Um, Whether you have a current one, or you want to start up another one, or you want to fire up a funded account, whatever you want. Okay. Basically, I'm going to reward you for being consistent. So make sure to check that out. I also have a special running now for the next day or two on funded accounts. I'll leave the link in the box below. But now we'll get into the video lesson. So LFIN, Longfin Corp. It's a complete piece of garbage, is what this is. it's it's part of the technology sector, so it's a tech stock. It just IPO'd fairly recently in the middle of December, and then it ripped. Like, it really took off here. Um, and it's funny because I warned people to stay away from this, and then it ended up halting back here too. But it didn't last long. Um, I've warned people for I warned them back in here. I warned my members to stay away from it, right? And then I warned them the past couple of days, especially the past couple of days, as well as it was dropping. I told my members to stay away. It's not worth trading, and here's why. The dreaded T12 halt. Now, it's fine when stocks are really volatile. They'll rip up 10% in 5 minutes. It'll get halted, and it's an LUDP, or a volatility halt. It's fine. Those are acceptable. It's to kind of, I don't really like them because it really messes up the price action, but whatever. I mean, those are fine. But the dreaded T12 halt is, it's not good. It's when the exchange is requesting further data from the company. So I've been warning against LFIN for a while now because there has been fraud surrounding the company for a long time. Um, I'll take this off the screen. If you guys want more information on trading halts, I will leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check for that. You can come check out trading halt codes, what they mean, all of that. So we'll get rid of that. So the T12 halt. They're requesting further information, whether it be the NASDAQ, the NYSE, the Amex exchange. The exchange wants to know what the hell is going on. When they are requesting further information, it's not good. There's generally a fraud, or there's usually bad news surrounding it. So I called the halt from back in this area. I told my members, stay away. It's not worth trading. It's going to end up halting on a T12 halt. They listened. No, not one of my members got caught up in the halt, which is really good. Now, I don't know of too many other trading services that could say the same thing. I really think a lot of new traders, and there's probably some of you guys that are watching this right now, that have got caught up in this halt. When stocks, now you're going to have some people, and I'm sure I'm going to get these wise ass comments in this in the comment box about, oh well, it's fine. All it does is once it unhalts, if you're short, you're going to make a lot of money. Okay, here's the thing, guys. That's fine for a guy like me that has a nice size trading account. Okay, I can withstand the pain of getting my capital locked up for that period. You guys can't. Okay, that is most likely because fees. There's going to be LFIN was a hard to borrow stock, and the fees are going to be expensive because the broker's going to charge you the fee to hold those overnight, and all of that. So all those fees add up. Okay, so if you had a smaller position, even when this unhalts and it opens up like really low, it's not going to matter because all of your gains are going to be taken by fees and commissions and all that stuff, right? So that's one side of it. The other side of it is going to be your missed opportunity costs because of your capital being tied up in LFIN. You're not going to be able to play with that capital, right? So there's lots of reasons why to, not get caught up in these halts. I warned members about DGLT, as well as, now I can't remember the other one off the top of my head. There is a couple that were halting over the summer, and I warned them against that, and only one of my members got caught up in the halt. The rest stayed safe. So first and foremost, I preach safety at TrickTrades, and I really need you guys to listen. If you don't join my service, I mean that's fine. That's your prerogative. If you guys want to keep subscribing to some of these front loaders, that's fine. I mean that's up to you, right? But if there's one thing you can take away from this, please just take my advice. If you see me put out a tweet saying, stay away, this is going to end up halting, just, take my advice, guys. I'm definitely not going to steer you in the wrong direction, right? So another one of the reasons, and I'm going to show you, and I want you guys to watch this. Now, I want this noted that I was warning about LFIN before this the Longfin Corp's CEO gave an interview on CNBC. But I want you guys to watch this and listen to what he is saying is the reason. Okay, now listen.
Because, madam, we see, I'm going to write to SEC and FINRA because of the shorts. Because we got the information, we have special investigation agents, we collected the short. According to us, there are 28 million shares shorted of $1.4 billion betted against me, which I have the stock trades on 14 exchanges today, $1.4 billion. The guys are trying to destroy us. I'm fighting here. I want to...
He's saying shorts are the reason. No. Shorts get blamed for this type of action. It has nothing to do with that. The exchange is they've had enough. I mean, this reeks of fraud. It's all over their SEC filings. That they're a fraudulent company. Okay, I mean, his wife sold a bunch of shares. It's a fraudulent, disgusting company. You can check out the SEC filings. Um, I'll pull this up for you, and I'll leave this description in the box below. BAM SEC, best filing service out there. Um, so you can look up LFIN. And he keeps referring to the 10K, this 10K, and this is the 10K he's referring to. You got to read a lot of these filings. They're hilarious, guys. Like they're actually really funny. The fraud and the level of bullshit you can smell a mile away, and it's interesting. So I'll leave this in the description box as well. Make sure to check that out. I'll leave a link right to Longfin Corp's SEC filings. So make sure to check that out. But I want to warn you guys, when something is this fraudulent, you're going to have a lot of other services out there. Oh, short it, short it, short it. It's a good short, short it. No, guys, when it's this fraudulent, just stay away. Like, just stay away, because this may never open up. Okay? There's some stocks that are out there that they're still halted from like almost a year ago. It's a long time, guys, for your money to be tied up that long, right? Is it worth that? Okay, so if it opens up and you make thousands of dollars, who cares? What about the missed opportunity cost that you could have been trading with that capital? It doesn't make sense. It's not worth it. Okay, so there's some stocks out there that are just don't even touch them. When they reek to high heaven of fraud, and they start coming on CNBC to defend themselves, stay away. They're nasty. Like they're that toxic. Okay, they are that toxic. They're bad companies. Stay away. You're gonna get your ass handed to you. I hope there aren't too many of you out there that are watching this that got tied up in this. And if you did, I really want you to consider coming over to TrickTrades. I'm not just trying to push my service onto you. The reason why I do so much self-promotion for TrickTrades.com is because I know the results. I know the content that I produce. I know the type of traders that I'm producing. People are in the room for a week and they're paying off student loans, and they're attaining skills that they never had before, and they were in a bunch of services. Some of them aren't new traders at all. Some of them have been around for quite a while, and it's just my method to my madness that clicks for people. I'm a very blue collar man, so I have the ability to explain these things to the every person, right? To the every man, to the every woman, right? Keep that in mind, guys. A lot of these gurus and mentors out there, they try and make themselves sound a lot smarter than what they are. So they explain in a really elaborate way their setups and strategies, and in turn it just makes them look stupid. Keep it simple, okay? Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, trading doesn't have to be overly hard. It's hard enough. So come to a place that actually gives a shit. Make sure to subscribe as well. Remember the consistency challenge. That's going to be starting May 1st for your chance to win $5,000. Leave me a comment in the comment box below, and I want to know if you guys are in. Okay, say I'm in, and leave another comment and say I got it about LFIN. You're not going to trade these extremely toxic companies. When they're this toxic, guys, just stay away. It's not worth it. There's better trades out there. Don't get roped in to the Twitter world, this Twitter hotshot world, it's full of a bunch of sharks and degenerate gamblers is what they are. Okay, I'm going to teach you skills that you'll have the rest of your life, that you can be 90 years old if you want and still trade. I promise that you will have that type of success. I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure that you attain that. So on that note, guys, love you all. Thanks for your support. Like, share, and subscribe. Go to TrickTrades.com and leave a comment in the box below saying got it and or I'm in. Later, folks. Adios.